The tile this guy is holding is made from air, but not just any air, polluted air. I'm not kidding. This is a really interesting product that you should know about. In Goa, India, I found Tejas.
Hi Nazdili, I'm Tejas Sidnal, and together with my team, we are turning carbon into tiles.
It's very obvious that the air we're breathing in is getting dirtier and dirtier because factories that make cars, tires, and all the things for our modern life also produce a lot of pollution. Carbon that they release in the atmosphere.
In one day, a factory could produce somewhere about 10 tons of carbon waste from a tire recycling factory.
And that's why we need a solution to the air pollution problem. This is where Tejas comes in.
We wanted clean air in the cities, and we could see that we can't breathe, and it's a basic human right.
So he thought, why don't I take the carbon that factories burn off, which no one can use, and make something that everybody can use? He became a material designer, gathered his own team, researched day and night until they found a way to make carbon into tiles. Tiles that you use in your home, your schools, your restaurants, everywhere.
We as architects are one of the major polluters. So as a profession, I started to feel guilty about it, of what we are building. So why not we try to solve this problem and store it into a house?
First, he collected the carbon from factories, tons of it. He processed it in his lab, he mixed it with other materials, he made it stronger, sent the final materials to artisan factories, and made it into art by hand. This became a tile that looks like this.
I love tiles because it is one of the most basic elements of a house, and it helps us share stories of various locations and how we feel inside a space.
Each tile has a unique design. It comes with zero waste, zero pollution, and 1 day worth of clean air.
We have this one world. Try to protect it as much as possible. We just until we don't have Mars, we only have Earth. Try to protect it and be in sync with it.
At the end of the day, modern life should not come at the expense of our health, and breathing should not become a luxury only a few people can afford. This style is just the first step to a cleaner future. Did you like that video? I hope so. It was a lot of effort and we're so happy to make it. In collaboration with Facebook, during the month of Ramadan, we are showing you the stories of 30 people in 30 days, and each one of these stories is more amazing than the other. I hope you continue tuning in for this special daily series. And follow us on Facebook. That's more than a minute. See you tomorrow.